Konbanwa, minasan. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, still it works. Hello. You're quick. Damn. You're actually quick. Damn. Nice, pretty cool. Today we're going to continue about I think I'm gonna do some 3D modeling a little bit, I think. I'm up studying late. Okay. What are you studying? What are you studying? 야잖아요. Data warehouses? Really? What about it? Are you learning about the architecture, or not architecture, like, I don't know what to call it, like how does a computer connect to each other or something? It's for class. Okay, got it. So in context of software, or in context of architect? So this is the last progress I've made. It's actually FPS. How do I do it again? Here, I think. Yeah. So remove this, and it's going to be FPS. There you go. Yeah, so this is supposed to be an FPS game. And we're going to continue to build the ass on. Hey. Follow. Subscribe. お願いします。 Hi. Rikumi, Rikumi, Riku, Mishora. いや、カタカナはちょっと悪い。本当に。Yeah. I think I'm gonna build some new props or something. I'm gonna create a battery. The class describes the difference between traditional warehouses and data warehouse. What? The class describes the differences between traditional warehouse and data warehouse. Traditional warehouse. Traditional database. Ah, okay. And data warehouse and describe data cubes and talks about metadata. Got it. わかりました。Why my Blender FPS is so low? Anyway, um, I'm gonna make some batteries here. Selamat pagi. Yes, selamat malam だよ。pagi は朝です。そう、マラムは、night。Selamat pagi. Let's make a margin here and add sore shika 何これやばここ何よこれは漢字は何でしょうしそれしか死んだらんのだよOK そうですねSelamat malam はナイトですちょっとお尻は少しだけこのまま少しそんな感じかNo はいわかりました So add a little bit of some cuts and then add a little bit of bevels like that and so here so make a little bit of bevel やば少しだけはいそしてこのまま止めてはいそして right click shade smooth はい電気いや電気じゃないよ battery バッテリーは何？電気かな？蓄電池？何それ？蓄電池。多分、ワン、ツー、少しだけ、これまで。はい。そして、let's move this a little bit. And curve. Let's add some. これか。じゃないよ。segments。いや、じゃない。ダメか。ダメか ?PGA。We need to make a wire. じゃない。違う。このまま。Let's make this smaller. This one is also smaller. So you are studying because there will be an exam about it? Still it works? It has quizzes that I need to complete after each section that I'm graded on. Okay. 頑張ってね。違うか。ここ？花金。はい。join merge いやじゃない。merge where is merge? Control points. いやダメか。はい、こっち。こっち。それでは、select this, make it smaller. 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 多分、ここ。up。はい。知らないです。geometry。いや、じゃない。offset じゃない。this one. Okay, this one. fill caps. Subdivide, put it here, a bit bigger, and join this, and put it here. Okay, a little bit too much bigger, something like that.暑いな。本当に。ここか。多分、十分かな。はい。And we copy this. and make this smaller. Alright. そこまでです。可愛くない？Lay me. どこか。Where is it? Right click, convert to mesh. This one, convert to mesh. はい。1.7 I think is enough. 多分。そして、ケースを作る。あと、and about here, I think. Yeah. Okay. I think that's enough, yeah. So this one, copy this, rotate it, put it up top. I think. Yeah, something like that. Okay. And then this one is not needed. Gotta so about there. And then ここか。 そして、ここ。ここ。What are you doing? What am I doing? I'm making a game basically. I'm currently making a game. So yeah. So now I'm making some props to decorate the game. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yes, sir. And something like that. And move it a little bit here. There you go. And generate. Solidify. Yes? I think so. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Nice. Cool. Move it a little bit here. And add something like this. I need you to get the fuck out of my way. Hey, I actually have a question. Yeah, fire away. Fire away. There you go. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Ask away, buddy. How much knowledge is required to start game development? That's actually a really good question because let's see. There is actually a streamer in Twitch. Are you on LinkedIn? Yeah, I am, but I'm not really using it lately. But I can show you as a reference, right? So there is one Twitch streamer. Hey, still networks. What is the Jinsei actual? Oh, there you go. Okay. So this streamer actually did not know anything about programming, but still making a game development using Unreal Engine because Unreal Engine have blueprint systems. So the logic of your game will be implemented using this blueprint instead of code, instead of programming. So it's not necessarily absolutely required anymore to have a programming knowledge in game, but it will be really, really useful. And also in modern times nowadays, there is a lot of what is it like? What is it I'm going to say? There is a really the game engine. So for example, here in my current engine, which is called Godot engine, it's really powerful already. So yeah, so also in like Unreal Engine 5 and using those blueprints thing, it's actually really powerful. You don't need much knowledge in standard game development thing. So usually you have to concern about the memory management, etc. But nowadays that is not the case. So how much knowledge? It's pretty minimal nowadays. You have to, I think it's really close to what kind of content you are trying to make as a game, That's it. I think you can just start making a game right away, actually, in this day and times. And not to mention AI will it's really going to help you a lot. Bevel this. I cannot bevel that. Okay. Um, can I bevel this? Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I hope that answered the question. You don't really have to know much about anything else, actually. It's really powerful enough. It's going to contain your content, actually. Here's is the container for the mesh, like this, the actual 3D object. So you don't have to code how to import your object into a game engine anymore. So yeah, it's already really powerful nowadays. So you don't have to think a lot about it. You just need to think about your content. Okay. So now rotate this and go here. Ito koko ka. Kono bubun. Nani kore? Ah, dame da yo. Sore wa. This is not good. Remove the faces. Select it. And also, by the way, I want to talk about this too. So about assets. So sometimes, especially for me, I'm not an artistic person. I don't have any knack or skills in creating artistic object and visual objects. But does Unity have something like grouping also? I'm not sure actually. So yeah, about assets, uh, there is some kind of new cultures lately. I think it's called asset flipping. So if you go to itch.io, there is a game assets here. There's a lot of free shit in here, like actually. So for example, here there is a package of assets that you can use right away. So yeah, there you go. See? A lot of it. Like actually a lot of it. See? Here. There you go. It's already pre-made. Ryu. Hi. Hello. What's up? What's up? See? So then again, if you are lazy or somewhere around like me, which cannot think about visual thing, you don't have any artistic values in your life, you can just do assets flipping. Just go through scour the internet. For example, in here in itch.io, you can just download it for free and use it in your game. Is there in there is like in India trend is going in game dev. Saw quality content that I was not aware of. So sub. Thank you so much. I am concerned why I did not see the subscription alert. YouTube has this kind of quirks about that kind of stuff. So sorry if I don't see your alerts. I'm really sorry. But in Twitch, they're going to be alerts. Dumb guy. That's just me. What do you mean, bro? uh, you're not dumb. Or maybe I am dumb. I'm pretty sure I am. In there is like in India. Are you asking here? In my place, trend is going in game dev. Not really. But we are like 40 years behind the world, so not really, no. But what is it? Like the programming is already I'm not going to say mature too because we are underpaid. And also there is not much creativity in my country. So about the programming, I meant like we have a lot of creativity, but it's not in the programming thing. Um Yeah, but generally it's not like that. It's just game dev is not, it's not much of a trend. I am from India too. Yeah, I am not, but the one in the chat is from India, I think. Yeah. Okay. So let's move this up a little bit and then resize this quite a bit. Something like, hmm, I'm not sure actually. But let's see here. Something like that, I guess. Okay, there you go. And extrude all of you up once, 1 pixel, something like that. I think go down. I think this one can go 2 blocks actually. Something like that. And then extrude this. Oh, somewhere around there. Uh-huh. Yeah, I think that's quite good. And then extrude one more. Oh, I think that's 2 blocks, yeah. Okay, there you go. And make a face out of this, I think. Yes, there you go. Remove this face. If you want to try to build a game, just build it right away. Don't think too much about it. We have some big game industry in Mumbai and Pune. I'm really butchering that name. And Pune, and they are making good. In Japan, where is the hub of gaming industry? Akihabara. The electric town of Akihabara. That's it. Oof. I didn't mean to do that. Chrome. Akihabara. Akihabara Denki. Mm. Yeah, see Sega and things like that. A lot of it. And also a lot of indie developer there too. And so, yeah. I thought Akihabara was famous for maid cafes. So no, Akihabara is the central of digital internet cultures. So maid cafe rise from the anime cultures, right? So that's also the place that have a lot of customers. So that's why a lot of maid cafes are in Akihabara. Yeah. Pretty cool place actually. But I'm not really into that kind of thing actually. So I'm not really relevant. I didn't know anything relevant there except for Gotobun anime. I don't know what the English name for that. Gotobu no Hanayome. The quintessential quintuplet. So when I was there, this anime having the 5th birthday. So yeah, I only know those. The rest of it, I have no idea. Okay, I think that's enough, right? That's the battery case. So this one is going to be props dot battery pack 2, and let's make 4. Let's make one actually. Save that. Save as one. Remove this and scale it. There you go. Save. Is this gun barrel? Ah, battery. Yeah, you're thinking too much, bro. This is battery. Yes, battery pack. Is this the enlarged version? Because when I import it to here, it's going to be so large. Uh, battery pack. See? Oh, the face is all wrong. Damn. Okay. Oh yeah, it's all red. Fuck. Okay. There you go. Okay, save it. Go back to the oops. Go back to the berry pack 2. Let's fix all the faces. It's all red, bro. It's really not good. Okay, there you go. So save it. It's going to be correct now. There you go. There is no lighting. Wow. There you go. It's not textured yet, so that's why it looks like that, but it's basically battery. See? A battery pack. There is one of my known in Japan named Ajay Pandey. He is a YouTuber and game character designer. Do you know about him? Actually, no, but let me search about him. Is he Indian? Oh, in Japan. Okay. Cool stuff, bro. Okay. Doraemon. Doraemon. Mm, mm, mm. Minna, minna, minna. Mm, 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 mm. うんうんうんうんうんうんあるけどみんなみんなみんなうんうんうんうんうんうん Okay, now let's create 4. Save as 4. I love watching his vlogs. Cool. I don't really watch any vlogs. But yeah, I can see it. Something like that. Yes. Okay. I also new to the game development. No, no, no. I mean, I'm new to game development with game engines. So yeah. He worked there, but as a hobby, he make videos. Cool. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do too. Okay. Oh, let's check for the faces. Okay, it's checked. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Now, this is the problem, okay? So this is a problem. Not really. Let's see the upward. Okay, yeah, this is a problem. Wait, you used to make games on assembly too? Not necessarily, but I started programming using assembly, yes. But not making games, but I rewrote, not rewrote, I don't think. So, back in the days I used Commodore 64. I don't know if you know that product name. So it's a Commodore 64. Yeah, so this one. Um yeah, this one, right? So the actual computer is the keyboard actually. So yeah, it's just a computer actually. It doesn't have anything built into it. So not like anything, there is no content built into those computers, right? So there is only basic and an assembly. That's it. So whenever you want to play a game, you usually buy a magazine, and one of those magazine content, there is a specific pages that overview interesting games that can be played using Commodore 64. And the only way to play those games is actually writing line by line per line of those either basic or assembly code into your computers and run it. That's the only way to do it. So yeah, it's not necessarily making games, but that's how I play games back in the day. Okay. What else? We need to make a turret. Let's make a Gatling gun because Ryu wanna see a gun. Yeah, I know, but I never had one of these. My journey started from connecting keyboard on my phone and making HTML games. Pretty cool. So there is also one streamers that I want to refer to. Um, her username is Wetwork Studio, and his game is really interesting because it's all implemented in HTML and JavaScript, vanilla. Not really vanilla, but um what is it like TypeScript, but vanilla. It's compiled to vanilla JavaScript. It is without any frameworks. So let's see here. Hobby. Where's the where's the name of the game? He should have listed here actually. I think I'm gonna tell him about it. You need to put your game name inside your stream. Let's see here. I really want you. I really want you to see. And that game is card game. Let's see if the chat is going to show us the. Oh, there you go. Still networks. Found you. Found the old yeah. Okay, it doesn't. Usually the bots are recommending the game. That's me. Immortal, yeah, there you go. Okay. There you go. Here. This is purely in HTML and JavaScript. Game is pretty fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's pretty interesting and really fun, and also and actually educate you about Japanese because this game is actually an education game. To learn kana kanji, I think. So it's pretty snappy. It's pretty intuitive. It's really cool. Okay, this is cool. Okay, start. There you go. Okay, battle start. Okay, player's turn. Cha. It's hella smooth, yeah, right? And it's all in HTML and JavaScript. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Three. Okay. Let's do this. Bet. Slice. Yeah, things like that. Pretty interesting, right? It's entirely possible. And if you wanna stretch JavaScript to its limit, I also made a virtual machine in JavaScript too. So here it is. It's an assembly playground implemented in JavaScript. So currently it's multiplying 64 by 8, and here's the result, 512, or here it is, or here it is. Yeah, it's entirely in JavaScript. There you go. Entirely in JavaScript. Yeah. Wait, what? Yeah. This is actually a virtual machine with a working display, though I don't have any example code. But I never expected something like this. Yeah, so it have a stack memory. It have the registers, the accumulators register, backup registers, general purpose registers, the DSP interface registers, stack counters, and program counters. So to write to the display, if you want to show something in the display, you write it to the display registers. There's a documentation here if you see on the display. So you need to write 4 values back to back, and the first value is the coordinate, and second, third, and fourth is the color data. So if you want to write if you write, for example, let's see, so let's initialize the accumulators to 0, and maybe not 0, let's do like 255, and let's see, make a loop, and then let's make a, what is it, like a line of red, for example. So move the coordinates, which is currently I'm using the accumulators as coordinate, into the DSP registers, and then write a literal value of 255 as a red to DSP, and let's write a 0 to the rest of the color, and send it to DSP, and then loop it. There you go. Oh, let's add the accumulators. So add accumulators. There you go. It's not going to be easy to see. Oh, what the hell? I think it's overflowing. I did not make a overflow. Oh, what the hell? The fuck? Let's see. Oh, okay. Not add accumulators. Add one, sorry. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Yeah, there you go. See? Red line. So the coordinates is represented by accumulators. Gonna head off to bed. Thank you for the stream. Yeah, thank you for hopping in. Thank you. Konbatte. Keep the spirits up for the quizzes. Yeah, it's entirely keep posting content like this. Mercury to 69. Thank you. Thank you, Mercury 269. I really appreciate it. Have you used any old microprocessor? Yeah, it's 52, I think. Uh, yeah, 6502, sorry. Yeah. Yeah, a long time ago. When I was in elementary school, I guess. Forgot about it. What do I want to make? I forgot. Oh yeah, we're going to make some guns. I only ever use 8085. Yeah, it's a pretty more recent than 6005. 6502, sorry. Let's make a turrets. Yeah, we're going to make turrets. Even that after graduation. Cool. Yeah. I'm pretty what is it? I'm quite early introduced to computer stuff. So, yeah. That's why I'm a nerd before. Well, I'm still a nerd basically. I don't know how to make a Gatling gun. I'm not living in a freedom country. Okay. I think something like that, yeah. Rotate this. Huh? Is that off a little bit? Or my eyes are deceiving me? Huh? No. I think my eyes is deceiving me. Give your repo star. Thank you very much. It's not really polished yet. There is still a lot of functions that is not um it's not implemented yet. For example, save program, things like this, not implemented yet. The step function is not implemented yet. Debug is also not implemented yet. So the editor is actually the same editor as VS Code. So seems odd, seems off but accurate. What? Yeah, it is not. It doesn't have any like advanced features, but seems off but accurate. Yeah, exactly. See, so in VS Code you can do this, right? And a lot of things actually. You can do like multiples, things like that, right? And this is also the same. So this one is also using the same engine. It's called Monaco. Yeah, here. So yeah, it's not integrating really well with the engine, with the virtual machine. So I need to work with that, and also this save program things. I need to implement that too, and especially the step function. I need to be able to step by step, right? Iterate step by step. It's really important features, I believe. It is not yet implemented, so yeah, right. It seems off. I don't know. My eyes is deceiving me. 45 degrees. That's a goddamn editor. Yeah. Um, 70, right? Or it is. Why do I do it like that? I think I can do this like this. 45, and then move this. I can do it like that. There you go. And let's make some. I don't know. Do I need to do it? Don't think so. Let's make this. And then something like that. It's still floating, but I don't care. Um, about there, not actually, but something like this. Wait, yeah, copy paste exists. Why do I keep forgetting? Yeah. Let's go back a little bit. I think we can do better than that, actually. Let's make this smaller. I need the barrel to be smaller. Okay. Make this something like that, I guess. And this one is a little bit. Let's touch that. But it doesn't look good, yeah? Um, let's see. I think something like that. Let's make one. The bridge. So it looks a little bit better, I guess. Uh-huh. Size it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to. I'm live, bro. Where are you at? Okay, something like that. Uh-huh. And subdivide. No, subdivide. There you go. Okay. I think we can go a little bit smaller. Give it a little bit margin. That seems off. Seems off a little bit. Go right there. See, I don't have any aptitude in visual flares, visual work. But I'm trying to. Edges. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And then make a bigger one a little bit here, I think. This one can go a little bit bigger. Sorry about that. Okay. There you go. Then what? Oh yeah, around here, right? I think we can use this one. Just make it a little bit bigger. Stretch it a little bit. I think. Yeah, just to be safe. There you go. Okay. Much better, I guess. And then let's join these two. And do this. There you go. My God, bro. Okay. There you go. All right. I think we can join this, right? We can join this. Come on, bro. Select this. You as a parent, join it. Yeah. Then we can join this. Extrude it. Then this one is also extruded. Give it a little bit of offset. And extrude. There you go. I don't really care actually. But yeah, let's make it a little bit better. Something like that. This looks like a nuclear fuel rod. All right. Don't care. Move it up. Make make a pattern, I guess. Let's parent this to here. So whenever I move this, I'm going to follow. It's for machine gun, yeah. A turret, actually. Looks sick. Thanks. Okay, let's make the head, but let's make it simple. Let's make a simple head. Yeah. Let's see how a Gatling gun looks. This looks pretty cool. Damn. This looks sick. Okay, so this okay, got it. So let's make this bigger then. Something like that. Add a little bit of space. Okay, this is a little bit closer like that. This one is a little bit like that. And this one is a little bit bigger. Like that. What do you think? Pew 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 pew. This looks like a head. Okay, the head can be a cylindrical type of thing. Let's move it downwards here so it's a little bit easier. Okay, so make this bigger. You know what? Let's make kind of bevel. Oh. Huh. Okay. Yeah, that works. Itu I think move it a little bit like that. I think. And then move it backwards. You know what? Let's make it a little bit bigger. Like a little bit. So it has some depth. Close this. And let's make a bevel here. There. I wonder how it looks in smooth. Big love from Pakistan. I am also learning I'm also learning just learn the basic and now building projects. Good. Good. Thank you. Thank you for coming by. Big love from Pakistan. I'm also learning Python. Just learn the basic and now building projects. Pretty cool. Python is pretty easy. I think I need to make some content about Python. I actually made some content about Python before, but I lost interest. Also, it's also in Indonesian, so it's probably not really relevant for you. How do I do this? Okay, this one's can be bigger. Okay, there you go. Nice. Nice, nice, kawaii desu. Okay, so that's the base. Okay, here you go. Nice. Okay. Um. Okay, this one is probably the motors, so we can make that. We should make that actually. Let's see here. Let's do some. Let's do some visual flares. Um. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This is how I'm going to do it. Let's make a plane. We need a little bit of music, I think. Do you guys mind if I play some rock? I'm gonna wait it. I'm gonna wait for your answers before I play it. I don't want to disturb you. Okay. Then go here. I think that's too big, yeah? Something like that. Okay, that's perfect. That is perfect. Yeah, nice. Okay, go here, Boolean, click here, and then I think I can go. Oh, never mind. Okay. Cancel it. Go here, face. It's all red. Cool. um, let's fix all of this first. Okay. Oh, where is it? Where's all the support? Ah, it's gone. Okay. Let's move it. Here. Okay, there you go. Nice. Okay, select all. Recalculate outside. This is also the case. Nice. Okay. This one's supposed to be like that. Then we can go on with the boolean, apply, remove it. There you go. See, now there's a nudge there. So are you from Indonesia? I'm assuming you are Muslim. Yes, brother. Yes, brother. Yes, I am. Can I do a bevel here? I can. That's pretty sick. Okay. Let's add a bevel there so it looks cool. I need a bevel here too. Okay, there you go. Bevel. Nice. Nice. W. Thank you, brother. I'm a revert, by the way, so remind me of something that I didn't know. What the hell? Okay, that's fine. We can make gears, or even better, we can make a... Let's make a generators first, right? Not generators, motors. Back at it again, Daniel. What's up, Yori? Damn, Daniel. Oh, interesting. What is interesting? I miss you, man. I miss you too, buddy. Behind. No homo, only on or only 2% homo. Ew, brother. What's that, brother? I was very close to become an agnostic when I am a Muslim. Cool. That makes us brothers. Brother, ew. What's that, brother? So usually, right? Oh, never mind, never mind. Let's do it something like W me. Yes, brother. Um. Okay, there you go. Something like that. Because motors usually have nudge. Bending light. What I've been up to. Okay, let's see. Holy shoot. You pushed something. Nice. Cool, brother. So KDE have a lot of QML, huh? Let me see. I think the music is not there. Okay. It's C++ CML. Pretty cool. Proud of you. Like a father should be. Cool, brother. See, I didn't really like this descriptive language. Like, and not to mention descriptive language as a companion to the real Turing complete language. It's just weird. I don't really like it. Not really my cup of coffee. Okay, I want to make a rubber pads here. Oops. Oh no, I'm correct. Okay. Sorewa nanda? You brother. Sorewa nanda? Okay. Let's make the pulley. Across the sea, half a mountain. Okay, resize it. Something like there. Then here. Never mind. Actually, let's do two. Resize it something like this and resize it using this. And bevel it. There you go. Resize it on the y-axis and resize it here. And use X and close it. No. Let's make a smaller circle. No. Let's using this 5, I guess. This one is also 5. Close it. There you go. Okay, perfect. Now that is a pulley. Now, how do we make the belt? That's the big question. Should we use Taurus? That is not optimized for that. Bro, what are you trying to make? It's a Gatling gun, bro. See? It's a Gatling gun. Just let me play with my stuff, father. Let's just do it like this, I guess. Right, and then move it like here. Copy it something like this, and then remove the half of it. Right, oops, like there. Okay, and this one is also there, and connect these two, which won't happen because I haven't joined them. There you go. All right, then we move it here and tilt it a little bit. There you go. See, that's what I'm trying to make. Okay. Ooh, who's that? Who is that? I missed it. Fuck. Let's refresh it. Who is that? Thank you for the follow, brother. I also learned to play this. A drums. Oh, there you go. Invisible Dreams. Thank you. Uh-huh. Wow. Tight. Tight, 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 tight. Oh, yeah. Tight, 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 tight. Pink, blue, yellow. W memes. I'm into drumline. Pretty cool, bro. Holy shit. Yeah. Drumline is really tight. I like it. Pretty tasty. I'm actually into parades too. There is a Japanese parade that happens quite a while ago. I don't know, man. Japanese is just whenever they put effort into something, it looks improbable for us to replicate. Let me drink some cough medicine here. Yeah. Come on, open up. Cool stuff. You are in fuck, I cannot pronounce this. Massachusetts. Is that where MIT is? Yes, okay. Why did you not go to MIT? I think that's a pretty stupid question. Okay. We all know we are stupid. We are not genius. Yo! Hello. I think I'm streaming on a Indian or Pakistan or Bangla time zones, because a lot of YouTube's comments are from there. That is pretty interesting. That is pretty interesting. Now I know what time you guys are up. Fornicate. Yo, bro, test. Hello. Hello. Welcome to the stream. All the time. Let's make a bridge, a simple one with a cube, I guess. Lee Ash coming down, first following. Yeah, I guess that's enough, right? I guess. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Now we need the base. Let's create a simple holders. Somewhere around there. Oh, I have a call. Never mind. So let's create a pivot. I don't know how to spell pivot, but let's create a pivot here. Not there, but around here. And go here. Elongate it. Elongate it a little bit. And make it smaller. Something like there. I think we can go back a little bit. Something like there. Yeah. And then start coming down. Oops. Something like there. Select this, join it to here. Select this, join it to here. Okay. Under repair. And then let's make a pivot. Something like using circles, I guess. And you know what? Let's make a bigger solution for this one because it's a little bit bigger. And somewhere around here, I guess. And make it like, what the hell is this? No, my eyes is deceiving me. Never mind. Let's remove this, and let's create the filling first, something like that. Then go back a little bit, like there. Okay, and then remove all of this. And the Sabians, rising sun, prince of light, and the window wonder. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's join this one, join all these vertices. All right, I think that's good enough, right? Oh, rising sun, the prince of light. I think if we can make this kind of cut, it will looks pretty cool, right? Let's make that. Oh, rising sun, the prince of light. Let's make a bigger resolution. 128. Oops. All right. Move it up a little bit. Rotate it and rescale it. Something like there. All right. Not exactly what I wanted, but yeah. I think let's remove this axis. Like that. And I think we can remove this and also this. Then go back here and also this one. Go somewhere around here and fill it. Tomorrow enough to calculate outside. There you go. One by one today the burning. Wind that pay up and sinking. The animal's corpse struggling. Enough, don't cry. So the years will play. Mother Earth that shelters. Something like that. Right? And then Boolean. Let's say smooth it first. Okay, that is weird, but I don't care. Apply. There you go. Look at this nice cuts. Shade flat. Nice. So then you can do that. Brrr, 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 brrr. It never disappears. I think the dynamo can be smaller. Okay, the dynamo is a little bit deleted. One by one, today I'm burning. I've been thinking. The animal's corpse struggling. Okay. There you go. Just hold the years will play. Mother Earth that's sheltered. Earth is being destroyed. Just lines of money. The end of the end of humanity. Na 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 na. Where is the? It's gone. Where is it? It is gone. What the fuck? Sapiens. Oh, sapiens. Oh, sapiens.
Bisa ditonton di YouTube, live dari ruang tamu kamu yang nyaman. Dan dengan multi tampilan kamu bisa nonton hingga 4 panggung bersamaan. Tonton sekarang hanya di YouTube.
Hello bro, hello. What's up, what's up? Select this and I want it to move back a little bit. There you go. Okay. Cool. This one can also be, I can afford to move it a little bit back. All right. I think that's good enough, yeah? Brr. And I want to move this one. Okay. Oops. There is no. There is far below. Okay. I guess that's Blender and not coding. I actually code, right? Because in game making, there's going to be a code and there's going to be a modeling. So I guess it's still counted as coding. So props, and this one Gatling. I don't think it's props. It's entity. So entity dot turrets. So let's make a building dot turrets dot Gatling gun. Save it, and it's going to be automatically imported by the engine. So let's try to put it into a scene. That's huge. But looks pretty cool. Good enough, right? And try to be calm. Okay. We don't really care with the Gatling for now. But hey, Oh yeah, about the ass. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, about the body. I want the body to move a little bit. Um. Hello. Um. What's up? Dur dur. So please don't demotivate me. What? What? What did I do, bro? What did I do? I didn't do anything. Um. Okay. Model neck. So model neck. Right. Okay. There you go. The controls between those two programs are wildly different. Hey, what's up? Hello. I'm good. I'm good. What about you? Um. Yeah. So if we move the head, right, is this the model is going to follow the camera, right? And also, if you go left to right, like that, like that, the neck is going to follow on the y-axis, and up and down, which is x-axis, I guess that is followed by the model head, and the y-axis is going to be followed by the neck. Anyway, good luck. The grind is real. Hope Japan appreciate hustle. Hashtag Indonesia Club. Ah, yeah, they do. They appreciate us a little more than ourselves. Is this Python, Java, or C++? It's actually GD script. Right, so the neck. Yes, so I want the neck to be limited by some kind of oh, the camera is a bit off, right? There you go. Okay. So I want to limit the neck into a certain degrees, right? Something like so. You could also become a voice actor. I never tried it. I never had the opportunity to do it, but maybe, I don't know. What's the difference? The difference between what? So a human being can see like, I don't know, 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. So when my head is pivoting around the y-axis, it's going to be limited by the body, right? For example, 90 degrees. And then if I want to move more than 90 degrees, and that hurts, my body will follow like that. Okay, got it. Keep going, cheering for you. Thank you. Live timings. Oh, the difference between the clock. I'm not sure where. What time zone are you in? Are you at? Right. So that's the concept, right? Yes. So here it is. Oh, this one can actually rotate 360 degrees. I need the props for that. Okay. Let me see if I can find some pen. Bro, hello. Can you program a real-time AI desktop offline assistant powered by Llama 2 lightweight in Python? I already did that, I think. Project. Where is it? Reduce this. Yeah, I tried that before. This one is offline, but I don't think I have the model anymore. Will this time be fine? Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure what you're asking about. Um, Olama list. Oh, I have Nemotron. Yeah, Nemotron mini. Oh, never mind. Run. I was building it, but had too much errors one time. It doesn't run, and another time it will not do the work intended. Yeah, I tends to do those kind of errors. Yeah, but yeah, I did that before. So it's just two AIs talking to each others. It's pretty easy, bro. There's a Python llama, I think. There's a framework for that. Uh, yeah, there you go. See this one. It's pretty easy. Did you ever participated in hackathons? Hackathons is new in my country, so once and or twice. This will work. Ah. Okay, so I need your help, okay? Let's make sense of this. All right. And after you're getting fed up and working on it for 20 days, I say goodbye to it. After changing Llama 2 to Tiny Llama to reduce the system load, then I try to use AI and AI Fico. Llama is LLMs, dude. It's AI. What are you talking about? So we're going to draw, right? We're going to draw eyes here and here, and maybe some nose. And there you go. It's a face, right? Okay. So let's try to understand this. Let's move you a little bit closer. Put up a little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna move the camera to here. Okay, there you go. Right, okay. So here it is. Here's since the brand is Glade, let's call it Glade, okay? Okay, let's move to a different camera. There you go, okay. So here's Glade. Hello guys, it's Glade. Okay, so now, if you see on the small screen, right? So there, yeah, okay. So that's the context, okay? So again, I want the neck to be limited to 90 degrees. So in total, with the stationary body, she can only move his head 180 degrees, okay? Right? There you go. Okay. So now, what will happen if I break her neck? Not really. Just move more than 90 degrees. For example, what? 120 degrees? So it's going to... the body is going to follow the head. Yes, so it's going to be on maximum, which is 90 degrees, right? And then the body will follow. Something like that. I think.
YouTube Premium adalah YouTube bebas iklan. Dan
Don't you think, Late?
download video, kamu pun bisa menonton
I think so.
masak sambil menyantap makanan di
So let's
kantor.
figure that
Cuma
out
1 bulan
in code. But the most important thing, we are understand what we want to do. Okay. All right. So the model head. So this is the body. So let's rename this. Oh yeah, let's go back to the screen camera. There you go. Okay. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay. So then I think I'm gonna move camera again back to the original place. Here. All right. Coolio. Okay. Okay. So here's the body, right? I think it's going to be detached, isn't it? I think so. Okay. Let's try to print the Y rotation component of the camera. So where it is? Where is it? Ooh. Here. Okay, let's print then. Can we do print in GD script? I think so. So camera dot rotation Y. Yes. Okay. What is it? Not T, bro. Why? Okay. Let's remove the collider first. Yeah, there you go. Okay, remove this. Rerun the program. It's 0. Okay. Okay, let's try X. Okay. Is it X? Oh no, it's Z actually. Okay. Okay, got it. Interesting. It's still 0. Okay. So the camera is never moved on any of the axes. But isn't it supposed to be? But it's supposed to be moving. Oh, the head. Oh, okay. So the head is actually the pivot. Okay. So rotation dot Y. Okay, there you go. Nice. Okay. I think this one is in radians. Yeah, I think this one is in radians. So rad to deg. Where you gone, bro? Yori, you're gone. No, I'm sad. Okay. So we need to keep track between the head. No, we need to keep track the discrepancy, the difference between the head and the body. I think so. Yeah. So let's do that. On ready for, let's rename this model body. and var model body dollar model body. Okay, and let's do, okay, so model body head y rotation delta. Let's make it 0 var, and let's keep updating that to the delta. Okay, so head dot rotation dot y minus body head y rotation delta. No, head up, no, it's model body actually dot rotation dot y. There you go. Oh, let's never print it. Okay, print this one. All right. Okay, there you go. We have the discrepancies. So whenever if the body head y rotation delta is, so let's do from rad to degrees, and we use absolute is above 90 degree, I think. I'm not really sure. So let's print that. Let's print that. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, that is 90 degrees. That is also 90 degrees. Okay, got it. All right. So it's, if it's more than 90 degrees, let's move the model. And in the right place. So let's move the model. Let's do that. So far, discrepancy, rad to degree, body head y, rotation delta. I think the absolute is supposed to be on the outside to be on the safe side. Okay, discrepancies is rad to degree. So degree of the discrepancy. I don't think we need that. I think just adding is pretty simple. So rotate y the delta. Yeah. So body head rotation delta 90 degrees, I think. Okay. Okay, now that's weird. Uh-huh. So that is not working. Haha. Oops. Of course, it's in. Okay, fuck. So degree to radians. There you go. Ah, there you go. Hey, at, at least on the right side is fine. Hey, see that? Pretty cool, eh? Okay, now the right side is not correct. So if this one is above 0, it's going to do that, and else it's going to minus. I think you were dead. Okay, that is not correct. Maybe it's the other way around actually. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. Okay. I think we need to add a little bit. I think. I'm not sure. So because there is some weirdness there. I don't know what's happening there. Okay. Okay. Outside this world. Okay, that is a little buggy. We can easily fix actually, but I'm not sure what's causing it. And it's only it's only happen whenever the player is looking exactly that way. See? And it is not happening when it is on that way. It is interesting. Okay. So maybe above? Yeah, no. Or maybe it's supposed to be less. I'm not sure. It's probably an easy fix if it's correct. But I don't like that. Yeah, there is something happening here. See? So let's print that. Okay, pretty interesting. Okay. So I think let's ask the AI for this kind of thing. To limit, I'm trying to make the body follow the neck after 180 degrees total of turning the neck. But there is something happening when the head is facing model of the head is facing somewhere, which is there you go. Let's make it radians. No, degrees. Around. Dropping fun, clicking on the street. Okay. F mod. What is F mod? There is F mod. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, it's still happening. Okay, now the going left is weird. Okay, let's ask. Hmm. Let's reload this. Ah, yes, you're running into a classic angle wrapping problem when working rotation in 3D space. Yeah, I don't care. Okay, let's change it. Maybe that will work. Okay, that's worked perfectly. Nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's past 2 hours. So I think I'm gonna end my stream here, but let's make a Q&A session a little bit. If you guys have any questions and or suggestions. Come on, Yori, where are you at, bro? Disappointing. Good job on the modeling. Modeling what? Pulse meter. What is pulse meter? Pulse meter. What is this? Oh, it's replicating the voice meters. Ah, cool. This is simple, right? Pulse meter? What is your problem? What is the problem? Sorry. What is the problem? Fall asleep. Alright guys, thank you for the stream. I'm gonna leave now. I have an appointment. I have a class to attend to teach actually. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow or on the day 2032, whenever that is, and I hope it's tomorrow. Okay? Thank you everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.